Welcome to TechZoid. If you own a T-Mobile phone, you may have noticed an app called T-Mobile Play. But what is it? And do you really need it? In this video, we'll break it all down for you and show you how to remove it if you don't want it. Let's dive in. What is T-Mobile Play? T-Mobile Play is a pre-installed streaming app found on some T-Mobile Android devices. It offers a selection of free, ad-supported videos, including news, entertainment, sports, and more. The app is designed to provide quick access to trending content without requiring a subscription. While some users may find it useful, others see it as unnecessary bloatware that takes up space on their device. Do I need T-Mobile Play? The short answer: it depends. If you enjoy watching free, curated video content, T-Mobile Play might be useful. However, if you prefer using other streaming services like YouTube or Netflix, you might not find much value in it. T-Mobile Play does not impact your phone's core functionality, so whether you keep it or not is entirely up to you. How to disable or remove T-Mobile Play. If you don't want T-Mobile Play on your device, here's how you can disable or remove it. Go to Settings on your phones. Open Apps or App Manager, varies by device. Find T-Mobile Play in the list of installed apps. Tap on it and select Disable or Uninstall Updates. If you can't uninstall it completely, you can force stop the app to prevent it from running in the background. Conclusion: T-Mobile Play is a streaming app that offers free, ad-supported content, but it's not essential for your phone's performance. If you don't use it, disabling it is easy. Have you used T-Mobile Play before? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips. Thanks for watching TechZoid, and we'll see you in the next video.